Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be unboxing the Fujifilm X-T5, the one that comes bundled with the 18-55 f2.8 to f4 kit lens. So thanks for stopping by and let's get started. Let's open this up here, see what we got. QR codes for the app, looks like, and the manual. Advertising the GFX, don't want to know about it. More nonsense I can't read. Let's see what we got in here. Let's start with the accessories. First we have the USB-C to USB charging cable. This is going to be helpful for charging your battery since you can charge it directly through the camera. Next we have the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, because this camera does not have a headphone jack. So if you want to monitor your audio, you'll be needing this. Same with the X-T4, that did not come with a headphone jack either. Next here we have the Fujifilm branded camera strap. These are pretty neat actually. Compared to the Canon one, I'm not gonna lie, I've always felt like these were a bit better. So not bad if you need a camera strap. Next we have, oh wow, I was not expecting these. So these would be your international adapters. For those of you who travel, you're gonna definitely appreciate these. I had no idea that this came with the camera, so that was a pleasant surprise. Fuji has you travelers covered, that's for sure. So pretty neat. Pretty neat. Here we have the NPW235, I think it is, battery. It's the same one that was in the Fujifilm X-T4. These were a huge step up from the X-T3, and apparently it's going to be more efficient with the new X-T5, so that'll be fun. And a charging brick that I did not think was coming in this box. I'm not gonna lie to you. So yeah, you can use any of these adapters, throw them in here, and yeah, for you travelers, you're gonna love that. Let's get rid of this. So next, let's just pull out the camera. Tired of waiting, honestly. Here is what I'm sure you all came to actually see. And there she is. Honestly, I feel a big reason why a lot of people love these cameras is for their retro look. Kind of looks like an old film camera, and these dials, I mean, it's hard to get that experience anywhere else, honestly. So yeah, lastly, let's take the lens out. Let's get rid of this box. And like I mentioned earlier, this is the bundle that comes with the 18 to 55 kit lens, f2.8 to f4. Honestly, I did not want this lens or need it, but it's very hard to get this camera just body only at the moment. So clearly, I am the most patient person you've ever met. And I just went with the kit lens. Figured I'd just try it out. If anything, don't need it. Resell it. Maybe hook one of you guys up with a sweet deal. But this lens has been out for a few years. It's not necessarily the newest lens, but it's definitely a very good lens and heavily touted as the best kit lens. So it'll definitely be fun to try that out. As with all other Fujifilm lenses, or zoom lenses, in order to extend, you turn them clockwise. So, and an aperture ring here. not labeled. Kind of unfortunate, but it is a kit lens, so let's not complain too much. But yeah, that's my unboxing of the Fujifilm X-T5. Thank you guys for joining. Honestly, I'm really excited to test out this camera. This new 40 megapixel sensor is supposed to be really good, so definitely excited to test that out. You know, my main camera being the Canon R6, it definitely would have been the more responsible decision to probably go with the Canon R7. But honestly, I did not want a camera that looks exactly and feels almost exactly like the one I already have. And I mean, come on, look at this thing. Can you really beat this? Like, I'm sure the Canon R7 might still beat it out in some areas, but aesthetically, definitely not. I just wanted something I would feel good about picking up and something to take some photos with that's a little bit smaller. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely going to be making a lot more content. You're going to be seeing the Fujifilm a lot more on this channel. I'll bring you guys up to some of my gigs. Probably do a couple street photography sessions. So, feel free to drop any questions or comments that you have down below. I'm usually pretty good about getting back to you pretty quickly. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all around.